Hey, if you've ever recorded a Zoom meeting, webinar, or interview and then struggled to turn that audio into clean, usable text, you're definitely not alone. Maybe you've tried doing it manually, which is painfully slow, or you've used online transcription tools that charge you per minute, and suddenly your simple task turns into an expensive one. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a full transcript from your Zoom recording right on your computer using Fusion Scribe. No monthly fees, no limits, and no complicated setup. First, let's talk about the problem. When you finish a Zoom call, you usually end up with a video file sitting on your computer, but that file isn't very useful on its own if you want to turn it into notes, create blog content, extract key insights, or repurpose it into social media clips. And that's where most people get stuck. Now here's where Fusion Scribe comes in. Fusion Scribe is a desktop app that lets you transcribe audio and video files using your own computer. It uses the powerful Whisper model in the background, so everything runs locally, meaning your files stay private and you don't have to pay per minute. So let me walk you through exactly how to use it step by step. Step 1. Get your Zoom recording ready. After your Zoom meeting ends, make sure your recording is saved locally on your computer. Typically, it will be an MP4 video file. Once you've got that, open up Fusion Scribe. Step 2. Import your Zoom file. Inside Fusion Scribe, you'll see an option to add files. Simply drag and drop your Zoom recording into the app or click to upload it. You can also add multiple files at once if you have several recordings to process, which is a huge time saver. Step 3. Start the transcription. Now, just click the Transcribe button. That's it. Fusion Scribe will automatically extract the audio from your Zoom recording, process it using the Whisper model, and convert it into clean, readable text. Depending on your computer's speed, this might take a few minutes, but the best part is you can just let it run in the background. Step 4. Review and export your transcript. Once the transcription is complete, you'll see the full text inside the app. From here, you can edit the transcript, export it as a text file, subtitles, or JSON, or copy it directly for use in your projects. Now here's where things get really powerful. Fusion Scribe also has built-in AI tools that let you analyze your transcript instantly. So instead of just getting raw text, you can summarize your Zoom meeting into key points, turn it into a blog post, create video scripts, or extract action items automatically. This is perfect if you're running meetings, coaching calls, interviews, or webinars. And if you're working with a lot of recordings, you can use the bulk transcription feature to process multiple Zoom files at once, saving you hours of manual work. So instead of uploading one file at a time, waiting for cloud processing, and paying over and over again, you're doing everything right on your own machine, as much as you want. To wrap it up, if you regularly work with Zoom recordings and want a faster, more cost-effective way to turn them into text, Fusion Scribe is definitely worth checking out. It simplifies your workflow, saves you time, and gives you way more flexibility in how you use your content. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tools and tips to boost your productivity. And I'll see you in the next one.